How to download the American Express app on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Play Store. In Play Store, simply search Amex, which is American Express. Here, search the app and install the app. It's not available in my region. You will be able to find Amex. You can also find different options like experiences and all, but make sure you download Amex. After you've installed the app, what you can do is open the app and then select your region and press on next. Log in if you already have an account by clicking on login. Press on yes. After this, simply log in using your user ID and password. After you do that, you will be logged into your American Express app on Android. And this is how to download the American Express app on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.